Hey, let me share something cool with you. This is Reevio Video Maker. Now, Reevio Video Maker is something that I've talked about in the past, but this is version 2.0, and they've really taken it to another level. This is some really cool stuff. Now, a lot of you, like me, have found great value in template-based video products like videos. And really, in order to articulate the value of Reevio Video Maker, I want to compare and contrast Reevio Video Maker with videos a little bit. Before I dive into that, let me just give you a quick idea of some of the things that are exceptional about this. One of the things that they have live action video templates just like videos does, but videos is limited to static images, whereas Reevio Video Maker's templates allow you to put in video, which is really cool. Another thing that I have found is Reevio Video Maker kind of stacks up on videos that I can actually use a little bit more, and I'll talk about that more in a second. Another thing that's neat is they have multiple templates that have multiple scenes within them. So while there's sort of 250-ish main templates as I count it in here, many of them have 6 and up to 14 different scenes, and you can render and mix and match them, and it's really cool. They have the ability to keyword search for built-in images and videos and a lot of stuff. I want to show you all of that here. But first, let's go ahead and pop into videos, and I'll just compare this a little bit just so we can get an idea of the value that Reevio Video Maker has. Videos has about 500-ish templates. I found this to be totally worthwhile when I bought it. I paid $67 for the live action, and I'm paying $37 a month for the monthly, right? So that actually works out to $511. I did that math before I paid it, and I knew and I wanted it. And I did that because I knew the value of templates. I spend up to $48 for templates on Video Hive for After Effects, and these are far easier and a little bit more well chosen, and so I felt like that was a good value. But it's $511. That's what I'm paying for videos. So you can see here that I have my favorites, and what I've found is that there's not a lot of there's no 3D templates. That's the majority what's in videos, because I found that just doesn't connect with viewers very much. I do use them sometimes, just not very much. And I also found it difficult to find the templates, and I have to preview all of them and so forth. The search for templates only works if I know the name of it. So those are things that, I found, but still I considered it to be a worthwhile value, and I'm paying the price and continuing to pay my monthly fees. Now, Reevio has about 250 main templates. They have the live mockup scenes, as I talked about earlier, which I really like, and I found them to be more generally valuable just because they loaded up with stuff I can more generically apply to my videos. Your videos was very creative. Things like this art gallery, for example, they had a couple of those and everything, but really, that was really awesome on a sales page, but when I got down to it, I wasn't really using that. It didn't fit the niche that I needed very commonly. And I found that Reevio has more stuff that kind of fits what I, generically, I can fit my ideas into this a lot better, because they are, it's not something that's too pigeonholed into some artistic niche or something like that. So I really liked that about this. And plus, of course, loved the ability to add the videos. Another thing that I found limiting about videos is I had to render one scene at a time. So I'm always working in a 8 to 12 second kind of range. And videos, which is great, but these are, in here I have the ability to do multiple scenes at once. Let me show you, for example. Let's go into this vintage banners template here. And it's, one thing that kind of may not be as wow factory, but the point is that I have the ability to put my own image and text here. And really, I find that to be more useful overall. That actually fits my needs on a regular basis more commonly than 3D templates. So you can see here that it looks like there's only one template here, but if I click on add to scene, what I actually get is 6 different templates, and I can add these to what works out to be a timeline. Let's just get a couple of them in here. And you can see that they're down here. I can basically edit these and render them out and have them add to a timeline, like this. I can move them around. I can clone them if I want to, or delete them. And of course, I can add my own text. I have the ability to color it. And if I feel like this text field is just not needed, I can go ahead and just remove it. So very, very nice. So here it also, you have the ability to drop in either just a solid color, which is actually useful many times, or a background for the overall background. And then finally I can do videos. Now if you noticed in the previous image, in this one I can do a keyword search for video, which is awesome. Built-in video. I can search in Pixabay or Reevio's built-in videos or images, and they even have categories. So it's really great to have those assets built into Reevio so that I can, more quickly make my videos if I don't have something, and so forth. So, or if I'm just doing a demo, for example, just makes it much faster and easier. So it's a lot more thoughtfully implemented. Now, I mentioned to you that we have the live mockups. The last thing I want to show you in this video, because I can't share everything in this video in Reevio Made. There's so much to show you. I'm going to have to do a couple more videos. But in this video, I want to finish by showing you that it auto saves, which is really nice. So I could be working on something and let's say, I put my videos and so forth in there and needed to move on to something else. I can come back to it later and edit it, which is awesome. But also wanted to point out that I can come in here and let's see, I've got, looks like it's on this scene here. And I rendered out one of these videos and just wanted to quickly show you this is a live action with the video inside of it. Now, last really cool thing I want to share with you in this video is that you can save this. It will show up in your library of videos. When I was looking at that other videos and doing the searching for videos, I actually have my own library of videos. And then I can take this video and work it into another template. That's cool stuff. But even more than that, I can save this into my onto my collection of videos, if you will, and use it with this Fusion template, which is essentially like Camtasia or ScreenFlow. You sort of have the ability to piece together your videos all within Reevio. So you don't have to render out a bunch of videos and then put them together in some other tool. You actually have a tool in Reevio Video Maker to composite all your videos together. Very, very cool stuff. So I'm going to be sharing that with you and more in upcoming videos, because there's just so much to delve into with Reevio Video Maker. It's a super awesome value. But actually, I do want to finish with one more point here. So I mentioned to you that it cost me about $511 a year for videos. Well, with Reevio Video Maker, I've got a $5 coupon that'll get it from $67 to $62 for a year. And so you get all the templates and all the features that I've been telling you about in this video, plus they're adding 5 templates a month, about 4 or 5 templates a month. So pretty great value. So you're getting what I consider to be not only just an equivalent of the number of templates, but also more usable and more versatile ability to kind of put things together and so forth. It's a really well thought out product, and I really recommend it. I'm really excited about using it myself. You can see I've already added it to my shortcut bar here, and it's going to be going into my arsenal of video making tools here as I move forward. So just wanted to share this with you. Reevio Video Maker, my $5 coupon is in the email that I sent out with this. Take advantage of that before a week from Friday is when that expires. So thanks a lot for checking this out, and stay tuned for my next video where I'll delve into some more awesome stuff from Reevio Video Maker.